US company results and global central banks drove markets in July. Around 2/3 of S&P 500 companies reported results, and thus far earnings have largely exceeded expectations, though central banks have struggled to meet the high expectations on them. The strong US company results helped push US equity markets high in July and dragged global developed market indices into positive territory for the month, despite negative US dollar returns from most other major markets. Developed markets outperformed emerging markets for the 6th consecutive month. The FANG stocks, Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, and Google, led the way as these companies ended the month up over 4% in aggregate. Within the group, Google was up 12.5% as it bounced back from disappointing first quarter results, while Netflix was the laggard, down 12% after the firm reported a drop in US subscribers. US banks also had a strong month as robust consumer credit growth helped offset interest margin pressure coming from lower rates. At the July European Central Bank meeting, Mario Draghi suggested he may cut European rates further into negative territory and didn't rule out restarting quantitative easing, as a strong domestic economy was being threatened by external factors putting pressure on manufacturing and export businesses. Going into the meeting, a German Business Expectations Index showed that companies were the most pessimistic in more than 10 years. The US Fed delivered much expected 0.25% rate cut, the first since December 2008. However, it was accompanied by a less dovish message suggesting the cut was just a mid-cycle adjustment for an economy that was still being driven by a solid consumer. The comments were at odds with market expectations for at least a few more rate cuts in the near term. The Fed surprise saw the dollar rally, leaving it stronger against most currencies, especially the pound, as Boris Johnson took over as UK Prime Minister with a clear message that he's not afraid of a hard Brexit. If you have any questions on this or to invest with Anchor, please contact us on sales@anchorcapital.co.za or visit our website www.anchorcapital.co.za.